I made notes this year. So last year I was in pretty much the same spot. I was in a chair just 3 feet to my right, talking about what I wanted to do with buying a bus, kind of, and moving into it. I'm going to cut this up a bunch of times. I don't want to have videos that are too long. I want things to get to the point. I'd rather have something be a much shorter video with quality footage, dialogue, and composition than just taking up time. 2018 goal, learn how to talk on camera better. So to make a better video, I want to try to limit myself to having 5 to 10 minute videos to start out. I want to put out a video every Wednesday, beginning of this taken care of. So let's move on to the next. Oh, jeez, that was painful for anybody watching. So I kind of wanted to do a rundown of the things that are going to be in the channel this year. Obviously the biggest thing is going to be like the cars and the bus that you see behind me. That's what the channel has been so far. I'm going to do some radio control stuff. I've been into that for a while. Outdoor stuff like mountain biking, running. I started running to do a Tough Mudder in 2011. Then the past couple years I've gotten more competitive with it, doing some 5Ks, half marathons, 5-mile runs, 10-mile runs. Kind of gotten big into that, so there'll be some running things. In addition, on the outdoor side, things like kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, that I like to get and do. Obviously, for the bus, I like to try to travel when I can. Car stuff is the biggest. There's going to be some project updates kind of in the next little section here. And magically, for the next section, I'm going to make it turn back to snow and about 2 weeks earlier. Okay, so, because I forgot to put my boots on, I'm going to try this. Okay. Oh wait, I can't quite see it from here. We'll reposition. So, 2018 projects. We have the Jeep, the bus, the MR2 engine swap and manual transmission swap, and a pile of junk. And we got the Mini Cooper, and we got the trusty Ford truck. So in no particular order, and I'm freezing, Jeep, power steering pump, transmission not functioning like it should, sell, keep, Gambler 500, not sure. Bus, pretty clear. Need to finish interior, heat, some wiring things, general maintenance, so I know that it's good to drive. The MR2, that's a parts vehicle to get the manual transmission, pedal cluster, all the associated parts out of, so that we can swap it into an automatic MR2 that we have. Also the MR2 that a friend and I already have has a pretty bad leaking engine, so we might take that engine, or we might just fix the other one when everything's getting swapped over. The truck here needs brakes and an EGR pipe. Could use tires. I don't know where anything is going to go as far as money this year, so I might even, sell this at some point too for another van. I'm not sure. The Mini Cooper needs just general maintenance. If I can keep it, I'd like to do some other performance things to it, exhaust, bunch of stuff if I could, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. And then let me get this back out of the way and get into the garage and show you stuff in the garage. Oh, here we go. Ah, that was easy. Okay. I bought this. I rode it once. Actually, I rode it once, then I bought it, and then I've ridden it around the yard, and that's it. And this thing, which I've had, I think, for like 10 years now, and haven't done anything, I think needs to go.